Beach day. No waves though, it's all windy and blown out. Still a beautiful day. So today we are in Huntington Beach. Look at this place. It is so busy today. It's amazing. Bryn, you love it? You love the beach?
We had so much fun. He loves the ocean air and didn't even freak out with cold water.
That is so cool.
That's about 15 degrees colder than the Diva pool we like.
Yeah.
Nice heated pool.
Oh, there's a little wave. Oh yeah, that is cold.
Yeah, it's nice and fresh. Refreshing.
Look at all these people. Where'd they all come from?
Most of them are my cousins.
Yeah. Most of them are.
All the way down there, see all those cousins? Just kidding. I'm trying to keep him in the shade. Without that hat.
So we're gonna try and get this into the Samaka vlog and do a little dance for they got 100,000 subscribers, so they're gonna do 100,000 subscriber dance. Should we do it?
We should do it.
Okay.
We should do it this way. So
Okay, ready?
has it got us in there? Are we in the picture?
Yes, you're in dead center.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
so let's do the dance.
Congratulations.
Oh, so I had to come to the car, and Brendan's like, who are you talking to? I had to come to the car to feed baby, and it is a warm day here in Huntington Beach. I can't believe how crowded it is. They blocked off the whole parking area. It got so full, but we got in just in the nick of time. They were about ready to block us off, and Jeff asked if we could still get in, so we were lucky. So here we are at day 3 of Jeff's family reunion. And so in the last video I said Jeff's dad is 1 of 8. We've just asked Jeff's dad, and he's actually 1 of 10. Can you believe that? 1 of 10 children. So we're just enjoying the day, having some hot dogs and watermelon and some corn on the cob. It's so yummy the way they've been cooking it. So it's been good. Beautiful day here in paradise. What do you think, Bryn? What do you think? Should we go down by the beach again? Should we film all these people riding by? Yeah? Should we go get all the people? Go film all the people? So you've got... Oh, look at that guy. So you got all the bike riders on this path. And then you've got all the people by the campfires. And then the beach is a little... Or I should say the water, the ocean water is just a little bit further down there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but so here it is, a busy day in Huntington Beach.
Brendan.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Alright, we just got back from Huntington Beach. I can't believe how crowded that beach is. That's amazing. We usually go to Newport Beach down here, just a quick 7-minute walk down the street, but for the reunion they went to Huntington Beach with the big fire pits, and so it was a lot of fun. A lot of people, had some good food, good company, and it was a great day. And we did a little periscoping. I'll leave that up for just a couple of days if you want to check that out. And that's all. Thanks so much for being with us. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Oh, bummer. This pool is closed. But who needs that pool when you've got that pool?